the dopest pages you can land on, man. Everything fashion right here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Hey, style. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage. What we got, can I have your attention? Do me a favor and what we got, one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage. What we got, can I have your attention? We promise not to waste your time. Now let me introduce you to the style spot. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. For fashion hauls and videos that show you how to DI to the Y. Now do it yourself and fashion lookbooks just to keep your style looking fly.
What's up, guys? It's the Style Spy, and I'm coming at you with another DIY. So I know it's been a minute. I know life has happened, and it always happened. Remember, I told you guys I am in school. This is my last semester. This is my last semester, and then I will have a bachelor's in science for communication, multimedia, journalism. The girl's gonna be on, I don't really want to do news, but if you see me on the news, that means I couldn't get no job nowhere else. So we're gonna start off there. But anyhow, this is, I saw another beauty influencer wear this gel turban, and I was like, oh my god, where'd you get it from? And she was like, it's from Zara, but it's sold out. Womp womp. So I'm like, shoot, let me see it, because I can do a DIY on this thing. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna decorate a turban. So here's what you'll need. You'll need a turban. I got this from the local beauty supply store. A mannequin head. Some body pin things. Just stick them in to secure the thing. To secure the turban, I'm sorry. Hot glue gun. And some different colored gems. Now, I haven't really played with it. Let me see so you guys can get a good look at it. I haven't really played with it to see like a routine or anything that I want to do with it. So this is gonna be like freelance. So we're gonna take some hot glue. And just pop it right there. I thought about doing the square one. I had these little rectangle looking ones, square looking ones, whatever you want to call it, whatever shape. But I think I'm gonna stick with the oval shape, right? Because yeah, it looks better that way. And I think the Zara one had it, except for I think the Zara one was just like it wasn't a full turban. It was just like a little headband. It was really cute too. So let's see, different colors. I feel like y'all can't see. Like you can see me, but you can't see that. Okay, that's better. And you just want to throw these gems on there like all over. Like it's no, I'm not doing no particular order. Throw some gems on that bit. Hey. Okay, let's get them. just remind me of Cleo. Cleo, I read your fortune. Site Janae in it. Then I don't know, I like blinged out stuff, so I may have or I may have not bought this in the store. So shout out to her for rocking it and making me want it because it was really, really cute. And I was like, oh, I love that. So now you guys can have your very own if you decide that you want to create it yourself. Shout out my best friend and her cousin Janae. They have a lipstick line by the name of Ravishing Beauty, and I'm rocking it. They have different shades for every girl. It's about 5 or 6 of them that I want left, but this one is called Love Bite, and yeah, this is their Red Heaven collection. So I'm just letting you guys know that you'll see red on my lips all of the time. I like purple too, so I may switch it up on you, but for the most part I'll be rocking their lipstick line, because you gotta support your friends, honey. I can't let people in the streets go harder for my friends than I go harder. Okay. So I'm going to go play with this thing and take some pictures and come back, because yeah, I gotta make sure my hair is right, okay? But this is how it look. I'm solid, and I'm gonna show you guys how to rock it and make it look so much better. Stay tuned.
Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Now let me hear you say style, spy, style.